All right, you got some grimy headlights. This isn't a fix all. This is just a proof. Just helps your headlights. Something like this, if I can get this clean, that will be a miracle. Then I would have to apply this either once a month, or if these get dirty quick, every time I wash the car. But we're gonna try this Meguiar's. I've always used this. There is a kit that does clean this out real good. You need a cheesecloth. Okay, and again, I'm not repairing these to look perfect, but I'm gonna get them to look as good as I can. But once you get these clean, or if you want to keep your headlights from oxidizing, you start seeing a little bit of oxidation, you need to start jumping on this quick. Because again, you'd have to at least do it once a month, especially with the sun beating these plastic headlights, not glass. So I'm gonna put a little bit on a rag and then rub it in with a cheesecloth. The cheesecloth, you want something rough, a little bit rough. So again, this is a test on these headlights. Since I got a new car, I don't really use these. It's only when I start seeing. But like I said, when I had my show cars and everything and they would fade and I brought them back to life, this is what I used to keep them clean. And be generous, don't be scared. And you just got to keep on, and it's going to be elbow grease. So you could be here for a good maybe 5 to 10 minutes each headlight, depending how many times you do it. But as you can see, you can see the difference. It's still hazy, but hell, it's a hell of a lot better. And again, these aren't bad. So if you do this at least once a month, you can prevent yourself from buying headlights. So, and you can see the big difference between over here and over here. So let me finish these headlights with the Meguiar's plastic, and let's see of what good of a job that you can do at home. But again, you definitely need some muscles. And like I said, this isn't a headlight restorer. This is just a cream to keep your headlights from getting that bad. Because once they get that bad to where you got to pay somebody or you got to do it yourself with sandpaper and all that, then you'd wish that when the first signs that you see your headlights fading, you wish that, and it's not going to harm the paint, so don't worry about if it gets on the paint. But again, you would have wished that you started it when you did, and not wait till the last moment. So let me know what you guys use for your headlights. You know, everyone's got their own technique here. This is mine. You can tell this hasn't been used in a long time, man. I think since I had the RAV4, I used to do it to the RAV4 all the time, and then my little Yodas I had. And they sell it real cheap at Walmart. See that? Might burn some calories, who knows? You looking for something to do? All right, let me get another cloth to wipe it up, a nice shiny cloth. All right, I got one of those microfiber cloths. Nice and gentle to take it off. Oh wow, look at the difference. Big difference. That's probably the best that you're gonna get them. It's a light little haze to it, but compared to what they looked like before, Something like this, if you keep an eye on it, this might be just a once a month cleaning here. And again, it keeps it from getting even worse than what it could be. See what I'm saying? That's what it used to look like. A lot of that looks like parking underneath the tree. You're getting the scum from the tree on here. You know, some of it can be from the light. From the sunlight. But a lot of this looks like it's from parking underneath the tree. And then you get that green stuff, the mold. Then it cooks in with the sun. Then you have that compared to like, that's 20 times better. So just wanted to show you a little product review of Meguiar's. And it's great for headlights. Removes cloudiness, yellowness, oxidation, and fine scratches. But this is probably the first time that's ever had that. This would take time. Over time, you're not going to get it clear, but like I said, it'll save you money from buying a whole new headlight. See you guys.